What is up, everybody in the YouTubes? We got the Gyroids scavenger hunt, Misty. And with all the other Gyroid scavenger hunts, you can find them everywhere in the game. Like this one, for example. Oh, hey, Whitney. What's up? You can find them on the ground, in the trees, in the mine. Your camp caretaker can give you some. You can basically find them everywhere, like I said. And we also have Gyroidite goals to get bells, event stones, dewdrop leaves, and shiny stones. And with those without gyroidite, you can craft all this. Let's go take a look at it. We got this dewdrop bush. This small raindrop puddle. This mossy stone carpet. And the matching background. Watering cans and rain buckets. Rainy storefront. I kind of like the vibe of the rain. Very, very chill, very relaxed. And this big puddle. Hey, I didn't know you can have your villagers like play in the raindrop in the rain puddle. That's cute. And of course, you can craft a gyroidite. A gyroid. How many gyroidites do you need? Well, for the 200? 400. That's a lot of gyroidite. But yeah, that's gonna be... Wait. The next one is strawberry seashell goals on Sunday. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye.